This is the NEBO Einstein 400 headlight, or light that you wear on your head. I don't know what you want to call it. It is a rechargeable version, which is a key point with this. You can recharge this. You don't have to worry about getting batteries for this. It says on the back right here, it says turbo. It gives you 400 lumens. Runtime is only 30 seconds. You can put it on high, 250 lumens, and you'll have 45 minutes of runtime. Low, you have 50 lumens for 1 hour and 40 minutes. And you have flood, which is the 100 lumens for 1 hour and 30 minutes. And then you have the red, which is 6 lumens, and that can run for 8 hours. So this is a compact, lightweight cap, lights, and headlamps for adjustable portable lighting, so you can keep your hands free to create and fix and do what you need to do. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Inside is the NEBO. Shut up, Craig. Alright, so we're going to take the NEBO, shut up, Craig, out of this device right here. See, there is a USB A to this type of connector right here, which is a little bit different. I was hoping that it would be a USB C, but it is not. It is rechargeable, so you have to make sure you have this type of connector. If you lose this device, you can see the ends, and I'll show it to you for a second. See that end? That is not USB-C. Forgot the name of that particular type of charger. Let's see what it says on the instructions, which there were no instructions inside. It's odd. Where's the NEBO Einstein 400? Alright, so here is everything that I told you earlier. And then right here, plug it in at the bottom. It says rechargeable. So it's a micro USB. That's the name of this particular part right here. It's a micro USB cable into the charging port. You charge it, charging indicator. So it glows red when charging, green when fully charged. Dual buttons. It says independently controlled, the spot and COB, spotlight and COB. Light cannot be used simultaneously. So they have a floodlight, or they have two different lights, but they can't both be used at the same. Excuse me. Excuse me. It says for the spot button, off, high, low, and off. This is press and hold for turbo. COB button, off, white, red, off. They have direct to red. They have adjustable tilt. 60-degree adjustable tilt provides lights exactly where you want and shows you the 60-degree tilt to where you can direct it where you want it to be. So let's see if there is any charge in it whatsoever. So I'm going to press that. There is some charge in this. So turn that on. And then so there's two buttons right here. There's this one. So and you toggle through it. So I can go from that to red. So this first button right here, this is bright, a little less bright, off. So that's, I believe, that's turbo or the flood. I'm not exactly sure, but there's two different lights. So you press this right here, it turns it on to the highest setting, medium, off. High setting, red, off. So let's take a look at this right here. So dual buttons independently control COB, spot, and spot. Okay. So there's a spot and then a spotlight and COB. Okay, spotlight and COB. Okay, so there's a spotlight and then there's the COB. All right, so spotlight button off. So high, low, off. So that's the high, low, and off. And press to hold for turbo. I'm going to do that in a second. Okay, and then COB button, off, white, red, off, white, red, off. And then press to hold for direct red. Activates red COB, then cycles through the COB light modes in reverse order. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So it says, so I held it down, POP, for a little bit, and this is the turbo mode. Now, you can only get 30 seconds of use out of it. So I turned it on. Then held it down, POP, and it did the turbo, super bright, but it only gives me 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and toggle through that to turn it off. Now I can do direct red by taking the R button and holding it down, POP, and that went direct to red. But then it toggles through it in reverse. I do that. Now only one of these lights can be on at one time. So in the back, the tilt feature that I was talking about goes down like this. And so to charge it, you have the micro USB bottom. Go ahead and plug this in right there. And then plug it in just like that. Pretty cool. So that is the NEBO. So great. Einstein 400 rechargeable. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.